Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video in which we will explore the ethical landscape surrounding the use of artificial intelligence in product showcases and sales. Today we delve into the fascinating world where cutting-edge technology meets commerce and discuss the pros and cons of incorporating AI into this domain. In the last video, we already developed a combination of hyper-realistic characters using Unreal Engine's metahumans and a chatgpt backend provided by Convai AI.
Hey, I hear you have a microscope in the lab. Can you show it to me?
Absolutely. I'm glad you're interested in seeing the microscope. I can certainly show it to you. Feel free to come to the lab anytime you like.
But in this video, we want to see if it's actually ethical correct to use those AI technologies. AI is revolutionizing the way we showcase and sell products, and it's not hard to see why. Let's start with the benefits. First and foremost, AI-powered product showcases offers an unparalleled personalization. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can understand individual preferences and tailor product recommendations to match each customer's unique tastes. This means more engaging and personalized shopping experiences for the customers. AI also empowers businesses to optimize their sales strategies by analyzing customer behavior and purchasing patterns. AI algorithms can identify trends and insights that help businesses make informed decisions. And this enables companies to streamline their operation, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive revenue growth. Furthermore, AI enables efficient customer support and assistance, and chatbots and virtual assistants equipped with AI capabilities can provide real-time responses, address customer queries, personalized recommendations. And this not only improves customer service but also reduces wait times and enhances the overall customer experience. But as with any powerful technologies, ethical considerations come into play. Let's explore some of the concerns. One key ethical concern is privacy. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, including personal information, to provide tailored recommendations. And it's crucial to ensure that customers' data is collected and used responsibly with proper consent and strict adherence to privacy regulations. Transparency becomes paramount in building trust with customers. Another concern revolves around fairness and bias. AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate biases, leading to discrimination in product showcases and sales. And it's essential to actively address and mitigate biases by carefully designing AI systems. Promoting diversity and inclusivity in product representations and continuously monitoring and correcting any unintended discriminatory outcomes. Despite these concerns, it's important to acknowledge that the ethical implementations of using AI in product showcases and sales are not insurmountable. By adhering to ethical guidelines and best practices, we can harness the potential of AI while minimizing its risk. With proper oversight and responsible use, AI can greatly enhance the customer's experience, drive business growth, and foster innovation in product showcases and sales. And it's an exciting frontier that offers tremendous opportunities for both businesses and customers alike. So as we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, let's strive for a balance between innovation and ethics. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can create a future where product showcases and sales are not only efficient and personalized, but also ethically sound. Together, let's shape the future where AI empowers us while upholding the values of privacy, fairness, and inclusivity. Join us on this journey of ethical exploration as we navigate the fascinating world of AI in product showcases and sales. If you now also want to learn more about how you can make your own ChatGPT based AI, which can actually sell and explain your complex products in virtual 3D showrooms to reduce your sales cycles and build up trust, then we can help you to build your serious games or also VR apps. Since we offer a full service game development strategy, we can help you from the planning of the game to the development later, and those applications will help you then to make your brand three-dimensional, experienceable, and make your sales cycles much shorter. So if you have your own business but wondering how you can use those applications and AI to advertise your products in a brand new, innovative and interactive way, we can build your own application which will either run web-based, so it's easily accessible for your audience, or also as a VR application you can use on, for example, exhibitions and events to present your products. Every project is very different, and that's why we offer a first free 15-minute call where I can analyze your use cases, and if everything fits we can jump in a second strategy session where we will work out a step-by-step plan together how your game or application can get built and how your company can benefit from those virtual showrooms. You can find the link for the application in the description, so what are you waiting for? Book your free strategy session now so you can also benefit from the possibilities you have as an early adopter to boost your branding and sales. Really, you don't have nothing to lose but much to win. I'm looking forward to meet you in this first meeting. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.